Hey, well, I just found a new address, a new place to go pick up food. This would be really great. I'm gonna go check it out. I'm eating 2 meals a day for the whole month. So that's where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna see it in Compton today. All right. Back over here. Hopefully we get some food this time. Yesterday was sold out. Hopefully today it's doesn't run out. Hi, how are you? Hi, how's it going? Hey, how's it going? I didn't bring my car, I thought I was just walking. So I got on my scooter. Drive through? Right. I mean, I could wait a while, it'll be better. You know? Right. Let's go. Can't speak to your manager. Drive. I don't know what's drive. I mean, it's 500. I can walk in. I was here yesterday. You guys are now.
Let me ask.
Please. All right. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right. Come on. Yeah. We'll edit it. So we're here at EveryTable. Hopefully we get one. I don't know what's drive through, but it seems pretty good. Yesterday I was here, wasn't able to get it. Seems like a brand new store. I guess check it out. Again, I'll put the description down below. Come on. All right, thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it.
If you come back, you do have to be in the car.
Perfect, awesome. I understand. All right, check it out. We got one. Perfect. Appreciate it. Okay, let's go. Wow, guess what, guys? This has been the greatest meal I've ever received. Check it out. Turkey taco bowl. Wow, these are good meals. These are probably like $10 meals. Wow, look at this one. Puebla chicken tenjo. Not bad. All this free. Compton Boulevard, like I said. I'll write down the description below. Very great meals. EveryTable, recommend it. Looks really good. I can't wait to eat it. Wow, I just came back from the store, right? The store is called EveryTable. It's brand new. They just made it. They just opened it up. Before I used to come around here, I'd never seen it until now that I saw this flyer. It's great. I have to tell you again, you know, there's no food back that I've been to in LA that gives the same food. Now check it out. This is real food. It's like a $10 meal right here. It's called a turkey taco bowl. It looks great. It's like something you'll probably make at home, even better than home. You know what I mean? So this next one is called Puebla chicken tenjo. It's also great. Check it out. $10 meals. Again, the store is called EveryTable. It's located here in 253 East Compton Boulevard. It's open from May 6th to June 16th. And if you want to come and get it, you have to be here from, again, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. I gotta say, yesterday I was here. I got here like around 11. It was sold out. So you gotta come with your car. You gotta come ready, because if you come walking, then I'm gonna give it to you. It's called a drive-through meal giveaway. And they give me 2 meals each day to each person. So guys, get your car, put some gas on, go make line, and get your 2 awesome meals right here. I checked the flyer right here in the menu. Again, I'll put the description down below. And it looks great. It has many more options. So hopefully you guys get a good one. All right? Enjoy.